Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinah. If you all don't know me, my name is Dinah. Alright, so this is going to be a different tutorial. Whoa. What? Welcome back to my YouTube tutorial. This is not even a tutorial. Oh my god. And today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. Alright, so I want to give you guys a short story of my journey on YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for since 2016, so 5 years. I know it's been a long journey. My old channel got deleted, so I am currently starting my channel all over again, apparently, sadly. But I love this journey because I am growing and my equipments are getting, you know, new, and I'm upgrading, and it's super amazing. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you are going through a struggle and a tough time in life, don't ever give up, because if I would have given up because my channel got deleted, I wouldn't be here right now in this time, in this moment. And I'm just thankful for everything. I'm just thankful for, you know, my subscribers, the people who honestly, truly support me. And, you know, you guys just keep me going and motivated. So, I'm just like glowing. You see that glow? I purchased my MacBook Pro, the 16-inch with touch bar, and I also bought some cases for the laptop, and some of them do come with a screen protector and the keyboard protector. And also I bought the Apple AirPods, the 3rd generation AirPods. So today I'm just gonna be doing a unboxing, like, you know, opening it up, showing you guys what the, you know, laptop looks like, because I'm excited. I know you're here, right? You're watching the video, right? So that means that you're excited just like I am. This laptop was hella expensive, okay? Hella expensive. But the thing is, it's like you're paying quality. You're basically paying top-notch prices for quality products. You get what I'm saying? So the laptop was $5,509. It was expensive, really expensive. But, you know, I did pay for Apple Care on the laptop, as well as the AirPods. So if anything happens, just know that my laptop is very much secured, okay? Your girl has to in the flow of editing on a computer. You guys know, if you guys don't know, I've been editing on my iPhone. So, and I feel like I need some kind of, you know, like upgrade. Like I need some kind, like literally I be on here just editing like videos, and I feel like it's great for a start, but I feel like now I need to, you know, boost up, you know, of my editing game, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I've been talking a lot, and I feel like you guys are just like, girl, open the laptop already, like, sis, what you was doing? Like, yeah, I have a lot of energy because I'm mad excited, you guys. Like, I am so happy. Like, certain things are just accomplishments, and I just want to just share it with you guys, because I don't like ever, like, you know, show my other side. You feel what I'm saying? You guys don't see this side, okay? So let's get into this unboxing. So this is a laptop here, and these are my AirPods. I am first going to open up their AirPods. AirPods, yeah. So I'm gonna open it up. earpods are so cute. They're so cute. And then in here is basically more of the protector for the earpods. Let me see if I can open it. Yes, I can. So it looks like this. Just like this. Comes with a charger. Cable. Wire charger. Yeah. So that was the unboxing of the AirPods. Trying to see where I should open it. I think this right here is a tab. Okay. It's opening. It's opening. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Wow. Oh my god. Tab here on the side where to just woohoo. Woohoo. I gotta be super careful, y'all. Okay. Voila. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. This is crazy. This is really, really crazy. I don't want to hurt it. I don't want to do anything to it. Open it. But first we're going to put it to the side. So we have the charging plug and whatnot, the charger. It does come with instructions and whatnot. Then in here it comes with the adapt. I believe this is the charger. Okay, this is the charger. It has like this thing on it. Ooh, 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 chill. Okay, so no.
You are such a tryhard. It's not even funny anymore.
It does have like this paper. I'm just gonna take the paper off. And yeah, it has an Apple logo. It's coming up and it's charging. Boom.
Press the return key.
Okay, y'all. So I gotta like basically do this. Oh my god, this is crazy. We're going to be doing touch ID, guys. This is the touch bar. So we're going to be doing, so it says basically place your fingers down. So I'm going to place my finger down here. So let's go. Let's do this. So I'm just going to be setting up Siri. And let's continue. Hi Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, open up documents folder. Wow, y'all, I was so nervous. This is a real unboxing and talk through. Okay. So do I want dark? Do I want light? And do I want auto? I want light. So after I'm done putting in the password and everything like that, it asks me to transfer information from another MacBook, but I don't have another MacBook, so I just said do not transfer. Now I am going to be putting in my Apple ID, setting up my iCloud. I want to see display true tone, setting up my Mac. Bomb, like top notch. Ah! Oh my god, this looks so... Yo, this looks so real. Oh no. Oh my god. It's like you're there. It's like 3D kind of thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. This looks like I'm literally there right now. Like, that's how it looks. So this is Catalina. She is dark in the nighttime. This is how she looks like. She looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look, you guys, the emojis popped up, right? So look. Ah, look at the emoji. Put sad face. Like, it's just so cool. Look at that. Look at that. And I'm gonna send it. Honestly, what I noticed is like the keyboards are very nice. Like, it's just perfect. Like, you can hear the click, 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 click. Can you hear that sound? The laptop literally tells me that I'm on my notes. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just downloading the app where I could be able to put my pictures and my videos with just by using Wi-Fi, because I don't have a USB. So it's a good thing about this Canon 90D is that I can use Wi-Fi to upload my videos and my picture. The trackpad, I think this is like the pad or whatnot for the mouse, for the pointy thingy. So huge, literally fits my whole entire hand. Okay, I even have more space, even have extra space. She needs a name. What name can I name this beauty? What name do you guys have in mind that I can name her? Please comment down below, because I really love her right now. She's gorgeous. The color and everything is spot on. Perfecto, perfecto. On the sides, it has 2 charging ports and also 2 like a headphone jack. It has 2 USB charging ports as well. I could literally open it with one hand. Like, literally. Look at this. Look at this. Bam. Look at that. Bam. Close it. So yeah, this is Final Cut Pro. It's super blank right now because I have to basically put my videos in these files right here, and then I will be able to, like, you know, start editing some super high quality video, y'all. I got so much storage and so much rams and graphics in this computer. Is amazing. Is bomb.
Said before, your hair texture.